Humans have been practicing traditional and herbal medicine for at least tens of thousands of years. A quarter of currently prescribed medicines derive from plants, and the World Health Organization estimates that 80% of the world's population, mainly in developing countries, rely on medicinal plants for their primary health care. Interest in herbal and traditional plant-based medicine is also increasing in the developed world as an alternative or complement to Western medicine. Southern Cross is one of the only universities in Australia to offer an undergraduate program in the Western herbal medicine tradition, naturopathy. The topic was in the news last year when a group of Australian medical doctors and academics called for funding to be cut from university courses teaching plant-based Western and Eastern healthcare. How sustainable is herbal medicine? 70,000 plants worldwide are estimated to be collected for medicinal purposes. As many as 15,000 of these may be threatened in parts of their natural habitats. Further research into the conservation status of medicinal plants is required. However, medicinal plants themselves, as well as traditional ways of life, are greatly threatened by environmental degradation, particularly deforestation, and development pressures. Plant species and traditional ecological knowledge systems are being lost before they can be properly recorded, and so it is difficult to quantify the current practice of plant-based ethnomedicine by traditional and rural populations in the developing world. The harvest of wild medicinal plants is an important source of income for many disadvantaged groups in developing countries. Recently, there have been moves to develop a global standard for the sustainable and ethical harvesting of wild medicinal plants to ensure biodiversity conservation and empower the communities that rely on them. In the absence of any fair trade or ecological sustainability certification for wild-gathered plants, in 2004, Fair Wild was formed, a joint initiative between the IUCN, WWF, and several other agencies. In 2010, the Fair Wild Standard was published, a comprehensive international sustainability standard for all wild-collected plants based on the principles of fair trade, environmental responsibility, and respect for customary rights.